Mga kapuso karong buntag ato makauban ang magbestie nga sila SP Odulio ug Joy Bongkaras. Aron i-share sa ato ang ilang kaagi kung paunsa sila nag-save ug nag-invest sa ilang successful business karon. Good morning Miss SP ug Joy and welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta and how's your morning?
Hello, good morning. Ito, maganda naman ang gising.
Good morning. We're having a great day.
Okay, so Miss SP and Joy, can you share to us a brief history kung kano sa mo naka-decide nga mahimong entrepreneur?
I think naka-decide me 3 years ago, 2018, kasi we used to work on the same company, medical company way back, 7 to 8 years ago, I guess.
Yeah.
So, 2018, we decided na maybe it's time to start our own medical company together with our other business partners.
So unsay nahimong motivation ninyo nga instead of travel goals, savings and investment ang nahimo ninyong friendship goals?
First and foremost, no, basically, how can we travel if we don't have money, diba?
Yes.
Like, it's really a necessity, no? Kailangan natin ng pera to have such goal. So, yun.
Yeah, and then since we've been friends for 7 years, no. The travel goals kasi started when we were still working. So we already had the perks to travel and have the pleasure. So basically that part on the side na siya. So and then since we are in a business that we get commission, so we save up. Kasi instead of, we know that the money come and go, so we save up and then we decided na mag-business na lang kami together. Kasi by that reason, we can accumulate more travel goals in time and shopping more in time.
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell us something about your business? Ug nganong coffee shop inyong napili nga negosyo?
Din coffee shop because ako personally, I'm really a coffee lover.
Yes.
Si SP, when I met her, she wasn't really into that coffee, not till we started really the work. So we had a lot of late nights, deadlines, and meetings.
Minsan
So,
walang tulugan.
Walang tulugan na kailangan. So, the coffee
Yeah.
really saved us. And then after that, coffee became really a part of our lifestyle from all the meetings. So, hindi ka naman makipag-meeting for the alcohol, no? But then, of course, it's really the coffee that made us a bonding for us.
For us kasi parang we really need a daily dose of caffeine. No?
Yes. So, parang para to perk your mind, to have a focus of your job, everyday meeting. So, coffee is really like a dose that everybody needs in this new generation.
Okay, so any tip po sa ating kapuso viewers nga goal sabang mag-save and invest into business?
The tip would be, number one is you really have to know your priorities, no? And what really makes you happy. We believe kasi that when you were able to get the passion and your purpose of why putting up a certain business, it should make it like a part of your living. It's not something that you're just unobligated to do. So, dapat pagising mo sa umaga, it is already part of your system and you are happy to do it. Because without that kind of certain passion, everything will, drift away. So, sayang lang yung investment na you will be putting it up. So, you need a lot of your energy, your intellect, your full ability to make it work. Hindi siya pwedeng iiwan mo na lang. So, you have to put all your heart on it.
Okay, unsang tambag ninyo sa mga magbarkada nga gusto sa magnegosyo at this time of pandemic?
Okay, ang amo ang matambag sa mga magbarkada dira, no? I mean, personally, I am not an expert of anything, but ako lang is, sa akong experience, I just would like to say na, tanan ta diri, we are all trying our best. So every day, every time you wake up, just keep moving, Night times na unmotivated ta, so just do your best every day kasi during your bad times, it's not forever, no? So wake up, do your thing, focus, and just keep on moving. Yun lang.
Well, for me, for all the people there who are good friends and you wanted to set up your own business together, you have to understand that you are two different people. And your difference will make a big difference on the business that you're gonna set up. Because whatever the person has to offer would be different from what you offer. And then when you combine that kind of thing, and it will click, each one kasi has its own strength and weakness.
And capabilities.
So, yes,
as
and so
well.
the strength of each other and the weakness of each other will benefit out of the business that you're gonna set up.
Yes.
So don't be scared about it, but make it as an advantage, and the challenges that you go through along the way will make the business successful.
So, any message para sa ating mga kapuso viewers or nababoy gusto pasalamatan?
We would like to say thank you to everyone kasi we opened the business, the Daily Dose of Coffee Bars Incorporated 2 weeks ago, I guess. So, in that 2 weeks, talagang dinagsan nyo kami and we're very, very grateful. We're very lucky to have you, to have the Davao Venues Not. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso na pumupunta kayo sa amin. So, I hope na you get to try our coffee, you get to try the vibe that we want to share to all of you. And also, we would like to say thank you sa tanang friends na og family na naghatag og suporta sa AMUA. And above all else, si God. Kasi without God, we are nothing. So everything that we do, we offer it to God.
Okay, dagang salamat SP Odulio ug Joy Bongcara sa panahon nga gihatag ninyo kanamo dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. God bless and good luck sa inyong business. Dagang salamat and good morning.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much!
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.